her and I made it feel so right. I put it in park and grabbed my guitar, strung a couple chords and sang from the heart. Thought, oh good Lord, she had to beat my chest bumping, and I can't get it out.